This EMF reader was working fine, and I have it set to voltage, AC voltage. It should be a 0. This thing is reading like 400, and now it's going back. It's going backwards. It was reading fine before, and then it just started having crazy numbers for no reason. It was in the positive for the longest time, and now it went back to negative. I reset it. I took the battery out, put it back in, cut it on and off. I don't know what's going on with it. It shouldn't be reading that. It should be at 0. And if I put my prongs together, it slowly reaches 0, whichever side it's on. It slowly goes back to being 0. And then it gains. And now the prongs... No, it's going back.